A very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video of Max Class 6, chapter number 13, Profit and Loss, we are going to see practice set number 31. Children, in introduction we'll see, when you buy something, it costs you money. The amount of money for which something is brought is called its cost or its cost price. For example, you go to shop and you purchase something and you pay for it, then it is called cost price of particular thing. The amount of money for which something is sold is called its selling price. For example, you have something and you have sold it to someone and you get the money for selling something, it's called selling price. Now student, profit definition is, if the selling price of a thing is greater than the cost price, then we make a profit. For example, if you purchase a pen for rupees 10, then cost price for that pen is 10, and the same pen you have sold it to your friend for rupees 12. The selling price of that pen is 12 now. So here selling price is 12 and cost price is 10. It means selling price is greater than cost price. Then here you are going to make a profit. So your formula for the profit is selling price minus cost price. For example, the selling price for a pen was 12 and the cost price was 10. So 12 minus 10 is how much, student? 2. So here you made profit of rupees 2. And when we make profit, then we are happy. Now, loss. Children, definition for loss is, if the selling price is less than the cost price, we suffer a loss. For example, if you have brought a pencil for rupees 5 and cost price for that pencil is how much? 5. And the same pencil you have sold it to someone for rupees 4. So your selling price is 4. It means selling price is less than cost price. So here you will suffer a loss. And the formula for the loss is cost price minus selling price. The cost price of pencil was 5 and the selling price of the pencil was 4. So here you made a loss of 1 rupees. When we suffer a loss, we feel sad. Now children, practice set number 31. Question number 1. The cost price and selling price are given in the following table. Find out whether there was a profit or a loss and how much it was. The table, the first sum is given. Cost price was given rupees 4,500. Selling price is given 5,000. So student, here selling price is greater than cost price, right? SP means selling price, CP means cost price. Here selling price is more than cost price. When selling price is more, it means here we made a profit. So now we will put the formula for profit. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So your selling price is 5,000 minus cost price is given 4,500. When you subtract, you get how much? 500. So profit is how much, student? 500. A second sum is given. Cost price is given 4,100. Selling price is given 4,090. Here selling price is less than cost price. It means cost price is more than the selling price. So here made what? Loss. And the formula for the loss is given cost price minus selling price. So cost price is given how much, student? 4100 minus 4090. So rough work you will do subtraction with pencil. So here you get how much rupees? 10. It means the loss is how much? Rupees 10. Children, in the table first and second sums I have done. Third and fourth is homework for you. You do yourself. Now question number 2. A shopkeeper bought a bicycle for rupees 3000 and sold the same for rupees 3400. How much was his profit? Children, the cost price of a bicycle is given how much rupees? 3000. And the selling price of a bicycle is 3400. Here selling price is greater than cost price. It means SP is more than CP. Therefore, shopkeeper made a profit. But we have to find how much was his profit. We will put the formula for profit. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So 3400 minus 3000. Here we get rupees 400. Profit equal to rupees 400. Shopkeeper made a profit of rupees 400. Now children, question number 3 and question number 4 is omitted. Question number 5. Pramod brought 100 bunches of methi greens for rupees 400. In sudden downpour, 30 of the bunches on his handcart got spoiled. He sold the rest at the rate of rupees 5 each. Did he made a profit or loss? How much? Here Pramod brought green methis 100 bunches for rupees 400. But due to some reason, 30 of those bunches got spoiled. So whatever the remaining bunches was there, he sold for rupees 5 each. One bunch for 5 rupees. So how much bunches was remain? We will multiply by 5. Then we will get the selling price. After that we will do whether it is profit or loss. The cost price of 100 bunches of methi is rupees 400. 30 bunches got spoiled. Now remaining bunches how much, student? 100 minus 30 is 70. And the selling price of one bunch is given rupees 5. 1 means each. Now we have to find the selling price of remaining bunches. The remaining bunches was how much? 70. So 70 multiplied by 5. 5 means the selling price of one bunch was given how much, student? 5. 75 is how much? 350. Now student, cost price was 400 and selling price is 350. It means cost price is more than the selling price. So Pramod suffered a loss. So now we will put the formula for loss. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. 400 minus 350. Here we get how much? 50 rupees. It means Pramod incurred a loss of rupees how much? 50. Now question number 6. Sharad brought 1 quintal of onion for rupees 2000. Quintal means 100 kg. Later he sold the all at the rate of 18 per kg. Did he made a profit or a loss? How much? Solution. 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. So the cost price of 100 kg of onion is rupees 2000 and the selling price of 1 kg of onion is given rupees 18. But how much kg we have? 100 kg. So selling price of 100 kg of onion equal to 100 multiplied by 18. We get 1800. Here cost price is more than the selling price. It means CP is more than the SP. Again loss. So we will put the formula for loss. Cost price minus selling price. 2000 minus 1800. Here we get 200. It means Sharad incurred loss of rupees 200. Now question number 7 is omitted. I hope you have understood practice set number 31, and thank you for watching this video.